Hi, do you know that 90% of all markets are operated by smart money? Learn to think like smart money. Use volume spread analysis. Invest or trade by following the smart money. iVSAChart analytics will 1. Identify exactly when to buy, when to sell, and what to buy and avoid. 2. Maximize profits and minimize risks. And 3. Give trading or investing edge you need now. Try it now. Free trial available.
Hello everybody, welcome to another Friday iVSAchart Clinic dating the 23rd of January 2015. And those of you who've been our premium members would have notified or at least follow our blog that we've been talking about the Chinese New Year rally. How many of you actually got some shares before this breakout? How many of you? Just type yes if you have, please. If you have not, also type no. I just want to get some feedback. How many of you have done so? Alright, good, okay. Okay. How many? Just one only? We got so many people, or what happened to the rest of people? Inactivity? Did you buy any? If you buy anything, say yes. Cheng, no. Okay. Nicole, no. Okay. I must buy first. Ali? Peter. Peter is interesting. Alright. Did you buy any, Peter? So far? Did you buy any? No. Oh, Mr. One also no. Oh, he say man. Okay. Anybody? Who bought before this breakout? Anybody? Nobody did. Still got chance to buy. Okay. Still got lah. Run the 18-day line change inside there. Nicole, you came for the you got a hold of the iVSAchart. Okay, now that brings me a point. Now I've just asked a question. How many of you actually bought in before this? And I think majority of the non-regular folks did not. So this year, I want to start a campaign really for what I call the, Be Better iVSA Trader campaign, 2015 campaign. How do you like that campaign? Okay, how do you like that campaign? Type yes, excellent. Okay, my goal is to start a campaign to bring you guys up to speed to be a good trader, to be profitable. All right, so there is a series of things that I need you all to do to participate in life. You have to participate to move on. You have to participate. You can't just be sitting there listening to me. I know some of you have been listening to me for the last 2-3 years, haven't done anything in bank. Remember, inactivity can lead to a lot of issues. So I want you all to participate. Can you all participate? Okay, I want you to participate, okay? I want you to participate in this to be a better iVSA trader. Can you all do that for me? Right? Just type campaign. Type campaign if you can do so. Okay, then I'll talk more about the campaign that I'm doing it. Type campaign, people. Come on, I got a lot of people in here. Campaign, type campaign. I want to campaign in there. Alright, good, thanks Ali. Alright, campaign, Nicole, yes. This is a campaign where we want to focus to be a better iVSA trader for 2015, because I've seen so many of you sort of, not happy kind of thing, I want to make sure I impart some of those profits, to you guys who's really suffering out there and bring you up to speed. That's why I came up with this Be Better iVSA. And one of the first campaign we are doing in here is the iVSAchart stock contest, which I will talk about. Okay, type me campaign, people. I want you to participate. Yes, go. Thanks, Mike. Alright, that's all. How about the rest of people who is in there? Alright, Mr. One, campaign. Okay, Andrew, yeah, I'm certainly know you're in the campaign. Alright, Lau, Mike, okay, campaign. Mr. Okay, Tan, T.Y. Tan, Mr. Feng Shui. Come on. Yes, in the campaign or not? Alright. Okay, good. Now, while we are getting that campaign type out, I'll pass the mic to Bill, and Bill's going to give you a bit of update on what's happening in here. And go take it away, Bill. Bill, you can talk now, Bill.
Can you bring? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Bill.
Okay, could you please bring up the chart of the Singapore index?
Oh, okay. Better then. I'll bring up the comment you just mentioned just now, Bill. I just posted something in here. This is the Singapore chart, Bill. I wrote you, Bill. Okay? So can you see that? That's the Singapore chart I just posted. 10 minutes ago.
Good enough. Okay, I want you guys to take a look at this chart. It's very interesting. And what we've had is a major line change after an absorption. Now, is that a daily or a weekly chart?
That's right now, Bill. It's a daily chart.
It's a daily chart. Okay, I want you to look at the top of the market, going all the way back until about 6 or 7 months ago, and notice the massive resistance at these levels. I believe it's the 30. Okay, I can't see it so well here on that little chart. Do you have the telequote chart?
That's the one, Bill.
Ah, okay, that's what I want. That's what I want to see. Okay, if you look at the massive resistance around the 3,300 to 3,350 level that has been challenged, I see at least 6 or 7 times. And every time it's come to that level, profit takers have come in and slammed it down. So what we call that is absorption. And it's a natural thing in the market for professionals to take some profit at an old resistance high. But now the demand is so great that the market broke through today, and it's now challenging perhaps back to the 2008 high. So what are the dynamics involved here? And by the way, could you also bring up the Hang Seng Index? Can you do that, Martin?
Yeah, sure, Bill. Hang Seng, I go over here.
Yeah, that's it. You got it. So the Hang Seng shows a similar setup to the Singapore index. We've had massive resistance around the 24 to 24.5 level. Every time it's come there, professionals or retailers have slammed it down. But now, for a change, the market has broken out, and it broke out this morning. And why did this happen? Because there's been a major sea change in the market, a major event. We call it an inflection point. And the market has reacted very favorably to this. Even the KLSE has reacted favorably. And what it is, and everybody knows it, it's in the news, the European Union has now started their quantitative easing program, their money printing program. And they're doing more than what was expected. They expected to have 50 billion euros a month to be printed. Now they've raised it to 60 billion, much more than expected. And the market again has reacted favorably. And in the background of this, we have the Davos financial conference going on in Switzerland, where all of the leaders, central bankers, George Soros, people like that, the chairman of Goldman, they are there discussing what they expect going forward. And one of the comments that we're getting out of this is that a number of officials, including Larry Summers, the former Treasury Secretary in the U.S., a man named Cohen, who's the CEO of Goldman Sachs, they are saying that central banks will delay raising rates. So add that to the money printing, and there's only one thing that's going to happen. Money that is printed by the banks will go into equities. They'll go into financial assets, and including bonds. So my idea is enjoy the ride. And look at the Hang Seng and the Singapore index. Why? Because they do not have currency issues. Like Malaysia now is having currency issues, a lot of weakening of the ringgit. But these two currencies, one, the Hong Kong dollar is pegged to the US dollar, and also the Singapore dollar is also relatively much stronger than the other currencies. So my advice is, and I'm telling this to all my clients, Martin and I are doing this, is don't put all your money into ringgits. Diversify into other currencies that are not as correlated to the Malaysian ringgit. And that way you're betting on a strong horse. And right now the US dollar is the strongest horse in town. So I would say look at quality shares. That's what I've been looking at. High quality shares in Singapore and Hong Kong. Enjoy the ride. Get the currency ride, get the equity ride, get the benefit of lower interest rates.
So what
You
we're
agree
doing
with
is,
that?
I think in the next 2 months, we will have the Singapore and Hong Kong iVSAchart in there. And for those of you who don't want to hold a long term, you can actually trade it. I think trading would be much better than looking for quality shares, because a lot of the valuation in China is already overblown, but they can still go higher. Okay. So with that, thanks a lot, Bill. All right. And now I just want to...
Martin, there's one other thing. The other thing is that just 2 days ago, Singapore reduced the board size to 100 shares. It used to be 1,000. That means if you bought OCBC, you have to come up with 10,400 Sing dollars. Now, that's 1,000 shares, but now you only come up with 10% of that. So
Hey, Bill,
as Martin was mentioning,
you know what, Bill?
for
All this
trading,
news,
it's
you can post...
scheme.
Bill, all this news, you can post it on the Facebook, Bill. Like here, what you're seeing in here.
You got to teach me how to use Facebook, Martin.
You gotta use Facebook, Bill. Everything is all in here, right? Everyone will be listening to you. They'll be asking questions. Like one guy asked, "What's a 2B? Does it means?" and stuff like that. Okay, Bill. Get into Facebook.
Well, show me how to use it, Martin.
I will do that, Bill. I will do that for you, Bill. All right, Bill.
Okay.
All right, that's it. I'll just take. Thanks a lot, Bill. And now to our regular programs here. And one of the campaigns I want to do is definitely on the Be a Better iVSA. Now, how many of you have not used iVSAchart? Those of you have not used, just type no or don't have an account. Please type no. How many have not used iVSAchart? You can use the Pro trial, which is free. How many have not used it yet? The Pro trial free. How many have not used it yet? All right. So everyone has used it? Okay, good. That's very good. I'm very happy. Yes, Brian, I did see it. Now, one of the reasons why I want to go to it now, Shihan, we do have a special offer for those of you who is our graduate and premium members to obtain this as a lifetime license. If you're interested, please let me know. We are doing this very special invitation to only the premium members and also to the lifetime members, because once we go live, we won't have this on a lifetime basis. It means you will have to pay on a monthly and yearly lease, monthly and yearly lease. Okay, so the lifetime you don't have to pay. You pay once and you enjoy it for the rest of the time. You can also pass it to our children, okay, or your friends, or of your sibling or nephew. So think about that. Okay, so that is the offer we offer on the lifetime membership in here, because normally once we go on to the yearly and monthly list, then you'll see a lot more people say, oh, I should have bought that one, but then it'll be too late. Okay, so let's talk about the iVSAchart. Now I just want to show you this one here. Perhaps how you want to do it. You go to iVSAchart. Okay, I want to talk about the contest. Okay, so it's iVSAchart contest. Let me just send it to you. I'm really promoting this because I want you guys. Yeah, Ahmad, send me a thing. We have a special price and a special offer if you're using it. Okay, because okay. Send me a text. We are doing special offer in here, and one of my partner told me we're actually losing money by selling the lifetime, and I think it's quite true. When I can tell you, just to share with you, I've been using the stock pick that I have in 1 month time. Okay, can anybody guess how much money I made? Anyone? In 1 month time, how much money I made? Anybody? No lah, Andrew. No lah. Okay, to cut short, 10K possible, but my capital is very small. Andrew, 28, I'll show you guys, okay? When we do the Be a Better Trader campaign, a workshop for the iVSAchart, we're doing it. No lah, not 25K lah. Okay, what I'm simply saying, in 1 month, my profit's enough to pay for 1 year lease. Okay? 1 year lease. Okay? Enough to pay for 1 year lease. That's what I'm saying. So, in 1 month, the profits I get is enough to pay for a lease. Now think of it, if you paid one price for lifetime, you don't have to pay anymore. You have to make profit to pay for 1 year. Because we talk about the payback period, but not so much on that one. But because money making is quite simple, let's go on to the contest. I think that's more interesting. We'll talk about that one later, okay? So this is a contest in here because I want to prove a point to you guys that even the average Joe, I was talking to a research analyst, I typically ask them, how long does a research analyst pick a stock? He said about maybe a week analyzing and blah, 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 and do it. So I told them, look, I can challenge the research analyst at my office. For those of you who know where I work anyway, right? With a big investment bank. I said, I can do it in 15 minutes. Much, much faster and more profitable. How many of you agreed to that statement? That I can pick stock faster, better than any research analyst? All right? That's right. So to prove the point, that's what I'm showing you the money. Okay, I'll show you the money. All right, I'm going to show you the money. Let me first, I'll get to my events first. Where is my event? I will show you the money. Okay, upcoming here. Where's my calendar? All right. So I've sent out on the 16th. Yeah, this is the one. So I'll show you the money. This is showing you the money. Can you see the money there? Right. The second prize, 2 cards. First prize is the Xiaomei. Okay, first prize is Xiaomei. And the second prize is money. Okay, so I've taken money out from the bank. Get ready to give you guys. And also the third prize. Okay, so there's money in here. I want to show you the money because I want to show you that you can make money. You can make money in here. I mean, much long time ago. But it's much more easier now. Okay, so what is it all about? So what we want to do is the iVSAchart stock contest that you can submit 1 up to 5 stocks. Okay, I know some of you are very hardworking, want to submit every day, but the fact of life is you can't buy stocks every day because you have limited amount of money. Okay, we got finite amount of money, finite, not unlimited. So here is just one post that I did. Hope to share with you in here. And now you must also be a Facebook user. How many of you are in Facebook? How many of you are not in Facebook? Just type not in Facebook. Ahmad, are you in Facebook? Ahmad Shihan? Okay. Okay, good. Those of you in Facebook is good. All right. So here you can see. Here you join the Facebook. Okay. Tan, TY Tan, we're doing a session on the 28th of January at Starbucks. You know where is that, right? For the iVSA member, and this is organized by Andrew. Those of you who want to come, please contact Andrew, right? Andrew is the organizer. I'm doing him for his bunch of groups inside there. Okay, so the Facebook group, you join here, and this is the Facebook. Let's go back to the Facebook group. So what you go to Facebook and you type price and volume in KILC. There are 2. Okay, one is a closed group. That's the one I want you to join, the closed group here. That's a closed group, and the other one is the fan page. So join this one here, and if you're not in, because it's a closed group, you want to keep those information in there, and it'll be something great. Okay, so I've showed you the money, and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so next is the contest here, right? And this is one of the best pick. Will be done sometime in mid-December. 257% within 2 weeks. Okay, it came out through our line change filter. You can get access of it, and guess what? I even have a video to show you how it is done. All right, because one guy came in and told me, Martin, I don't have much time to look at the stock market. I said, why? Don't you have 5 minutes? If you don't have 5 minutes, then you don't have time for the stock market. How many of you have more than 5 minutes to look at a stock? How many of you have don't have 5 minutes to look at a stock? Come on. Okay. So my message, 5 minutes. You only need 5 minutes to watch the YouTube here. So on the 16th of December, iVSA, you can see this was the one. Let me just scroll back up again. That's a 257% return. This was a breakout here. You could see at this time. And then eventually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, this eventually came off a bit. But during time being, remember, this is a stock pick contest. It's not a stock trading contest. Okay, I stress that with heavy emphasis. We want you to be good in stock picking, stock pick first. Okay, so what we do is that we have your stock pick between now. You can submit anytime between now, starting from 16th of January, and on the 19th of February, 12 midnight, I said here, 12 midnight, we will take a snapshot of the market and taking the price difference between the closing price on the 19th of February and the day that you submit here will be the winner. This is what happens here. So if we take this price here to this price, all right, and that's something like 257% return. That's the whole point. So make sure you watch this video here. By the way, also in iVSAchart, there is also tutorial in there. We have posted up the tutorial in there, and I'm doing it as of now, but maybe I'll keep this for next week. Okay, so also please, if you have and you think this website is beneficial, please, ladies and gentlemen, Can you do that? Can you add your best friends here? So you can add here, you can just type Lee, okay? So just add them here to your friends here. Can you do that? All right. Maybe you can add Pua Lee Kek. I will add Pua Lee Kek. Okay, and he's a good friend of mine from so you can know about this. So do that for us, please. Add your friends in there, and they will benefit. Okay, now let's go on to what I was talking just now, which is the contest. Here, the first prize I've shown you. Also, check it out, gentlemen. This is added in the other day because one of the users wanted to say, hey, why don't you give 1 year free VSA subscription? I said, yes, not a problem. Things that we can do, we will do so. So we hear you and we want to engage you and we want to teach you how to make money. All right. So this is what I mean. So you get 1 year subscription, a Xiaomi, and on top of that, I'm actually looking to give you a plaque, an award, like one of those you get in the Oscar award. So my guys are actually looking at that. So it's going to be a very, very, very interesting day, especially on the award day. Now remember, the winner of the top 3 prize, you need to be there. Okay, if you're outstation, you need to come down to KL and to receive the award because we want to make this as an event to also interview you a bit. All right, so these are the terms and conditions. Is it okay so far? Do you like what you see? How to join the Facebook? Very simply, Facebook. Okay, you go up here and you type this one. Okay. Okay, what I do, I give you the URL address. That's the easiest. Okay, the URL address here is this one here. Okay, I will WhatsApp to you guys, right? And I would send it to you now. Okay, I suppose so. No, I think I did the wrong one. Yeah, chat. Okay. Have you all received it? Okay, so make sure you join the Facebook, right? Okay, got it? Okay, great. So this is the one. This is one of the better one. I think we got another one about 300%. But we got this one in here. That was a nice one. There was Ang Bao. Remember, there are 2 categories. We are quite generous. Our company is quite generous. We are giving 2 categories. One is for the warrant, and one is for equity stocks. The reason why we gave, and also remember, there is 50 consolation prizes. These are mystery prizes. Okay, so there are plenty of prizes to win because we want everyone to participate. Okay, so if you don't get the top 3 Ang Pao or the Xiaomi plus the 1 year, you will get at least 50 consolation prizes. Okay, so far the rule is only 1 winner per prize. Okay, 1 winner per prize. The best stocks that you, let's say you submitted 5 in there, we will take the best one and you will win 1 prize. So we have prizes for everybody. Is that fair enough? Are we generous? Type yes if you are generous. Just type generous, okay? If we are, just type the word generous, okay? It's a small thing, and remember, okay? I know a lot of people ask me, do I have to buy in the stock market? We don't care at all. You want to buy the stock market, you don't even need to have an account. All in all, this is actually a paper trading exercise, to see how good you are in picking stock using our iVSA chart, because we have a point to show you that compared to the analyst in our office who takes about a week to pick stocks, we can do it in 5 minutes, and yet it is as effective as them. Okay, it is as effective as them. All right, thanks a lot. Okay, so this is so there's 2 categories in here. If you're trading, you can trade the warrant stocks, because warrant can go up very, very fast. It can also go down very, very fast. Okay, and there's also just 1 mystery prize on it in here. All right, so what's the rule in here? First and foremost, now this is there are terms and conditions, and the judges will be final. Winners will be notified in Facebook too. We'll give a prize presentation award, will be notified after the 19th of February. Okay, so 19th of February, and then this is the registration. So you need to go to iVSAchart. Okay, maybe go to iVSAchart, right? And if you don't know how to register, there is a tutorial here called, okay, how to register, how to log in, another one, stock selection. So iVSAchart has a tutorial in here, so you can watch the tutorial. That's the one that I've just showed you in here. The next one will be how to register. Okay, so we can do this one, how to register. We'll teach you how to register in here. And the next one is how to log in. We also teach you how to log in. So no excuses, everybody. Get into the contest, okay? some IVA detected iVSA page is malicious. Let us know. Take a screenshot of your shot because we have the IT people cleaning up. Now, the also reason why you get that is because you're using some of the AVG stuff, which is has problem. So make sure this is a clean slide. We have maintenance people keeping up. If you have problems saying it's malicious, please take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, we will look at. But normally, what I can do is check this out. Okay, I use a site in here. Let me just check whether the website is clean because I do this once a week. Last week I checked it was clear, and let's go through this because some of the AVG website they use this as an extortion in here. Look at this, okay? iVSAChart here, no malware, no blacklist, it's good as clean. Okay, so Google is clean, Norton is clean, Opera is clean, Site Advisor is clean, no malware. So the problem is AVG are extortionists, because they want people to subscribe to it. So they will go on telling you, you got problem, you got problem, you got not even blacklisted at all. Okay? That's what I mean. Okay, Ali, is that okay? Is my answer okay for you? Okay, good. Okay, we want everybody to have a good experience using the iVSAChart in here. And once you do, maybe next week we'll do the posting of the Facebook. Okay. So meanwhile, let's look at the stocks that I have, and the stock that I have is none. Because finally I think everybody already know how to do and pick stocks, so they don't need to look at it, just use iVSAChart. Okay, I just got a post just now, and about one of my friends, our student, is using iVSAChart in Shanghai, right? Nicole, you're listening now, right? Nicole, you just took a picture of it, took a picture of the people. Okay, take a picture of the people in Starbucks. I know you're in Shanghai now listening to this video. Take a picture of people, using phones, and how I know Shanghai, a lot of people in there, so we'll be really quite interested. Okay, any stock you want me to look at, so I'll use the iVSAChart. Okay, any stock you want me to look at, I'll use the iVSAChart. Anybody? Oh, can so I want you guys to join in. So let me just log in first. All right. Got a lot of work to do. Got a lot of work to do. Oh, how difficult? I'll show you to do one. Just watch the 5 minute. 5 minute. If you don't have 5 minutes, right? If you don't have 5 minutes to watch the video, it will teach you how to pick stocks. Cut and paste. That's all. Bottom line is, don't give yourself too much excuse. Okay? Because a lot of people cannot face the reality. Okay, so I want you guys to face the reality. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes only. That's all. Okay. That's right. Yep. From the iVSA line change. Watch the video. Everything's all in the video. Okay, guys. Watch it. And any stocks for me you want me to look at before I end the session? I don't want to take too long of your time because I always appreciate all. Okay, so some people just, someone just want to join too. Okay, I will approve. Yep, Ali, you're approved. Sun Chen, you're approved already. Okay, people, please do us a favor. Add your friends in here. Can you do that? Okay, add your friends in here on the line side in here, and we want. Okay, just a quick one. I've said we have reached a milestone. We hit 300 members in 1 month just now. Our goal is to have 1,000 members in these Facebooks, and let's enjoy the money from this Chinese New Year rally. Okay, support us, identify, follow, and profit from smart money. Please add 5 of your best friends in the Facebook by going up here, right? Here, just add your friends here who's interested in stocks, and they will benefit. Okay, they will benefit. Okay, okay, let's look at Takaso. Takaso already cabut already lah. Yesterday I posted that one already. Okay, I think it was one of the stock I posted yesterday. Yeah, Takaso. Today also up already. Today up another 5 points. Okay, you see this was the first break. Test confirmation in here and started to run. Okay, so it's taking out. I think today also took out already. Quite straightforward. All right. So look for those have not broke out yet. Okay, if you want to play on the low risk, this kind of thing it can reverse back. So look at the risk reward, something that we teach you. Okay, don't be so gung ho. Okay, play with the risk management inside. All right. Any Muhibah? Someone want me look at Muhibah? Okay, let's look at Muhibah. Muhibah Engineering. Hey, beautiful. Who asked me for Muhibah? Okay. Up to date, jabot now. Why so fast? Peter. Hey, Peter, I think you should submit this into the, okay? I think you should submit this into the iVSAChart. Nice one in here. Okay, nice one. Oh, another thing. On the contest, whoever went in, stake a claim on the first stock. Let's say you submitted Muhibah, someone submitted Muhibah. 5 of people submitted Muhibah stocks, right? Which is not a problem. The one that has the highest gain of the Muhibah wins. Okay? The one that have the highest gains wins, okay? That's all, okay? So you have any question, send to support@traderstool.com or ask me next week, okay? So only one question, okay? You need, are you a member, Ali? Are you a premium member or graduates? You are, okay. If you are a lifetime member and a premium member, yes, you get that offer. Text me, okay? I'll send you all the details and you can consider it, okay? All right. My goal is to sell very limited copies of the iVSA, and once we do that, we won't be selling it anymore because my partner say, you're not a businessman. Alright, Ahmad Shihan, I know you're a great support here. I want you to have this too. Think it as a gift, just like what we give you to the lessons, the money, the phone, right? This is what I mean, right? And also the 1 year free iVSA, which is worth $3,000. As I said before, just now, in 1 month time, from a very small capital outlay, I won't tell you how much, you can actually make the yearly membership or the yearly subscription in just 1 year. That's what I mean, $3,000, okay? Without much risk, okay? And without much risk, because you are buying, just like looking at, how many like to buy this stock? That was yesterday. I think today went up a bit more, okay? How many of you like to buy this stock? Peter just picked this. Fantastic, Peter. Huh? Don't tell me you don't have 5 minutes. Let's look at today. Where is Muhibah? Okay. Let's look at Muhibah. Oh, wrong spelling. Okay. There you go. All right. Went up too. Okay. Because it's the first time breaking, a lot of profit inside there. Again, this is a beautiful entry. I know what Kevin would ask me. Is this an uptrust? Again, uptrust need to be confirmed. Okay. And we are having one of the best bull runs so far. Okay. Any more questions before we end it? We took longer than we should actually. I don't want to keep you guys too long. So for those of you who is really interested in our lifetime membership, this is only by invitation. Send us an email, or those of you who have my email here or my WhatsApp to me, you can do so. I think you all know the number. Let me know, okay? All right, with that, I'll take one more last question, okay? Any last question? Okay, if no more question, I bid you a good day, and I'll see you, our premium members, at 4:15 today, closing bell, and we will review some of the stocks we have chosen the last week and the week before, and I think they've done pretty well, and hopefully you guys will make money. All right, without ado, good day, and see you next week. Bye bye.